We often believe that the way we treat others will be forgotten with time. But life remembers everything, like a quiet echo, waiting for the right moment to return. We ignore, we insult, we push people away, thinking it'll never happen to us. But what you do becomes the chair you sit in tomorrow. Today, you'll hear a story that proves this in the most painful, honest way. Because sooner or later, what you do to others will be done to you. There was once an old man. His hands shook, his steps were slow, his eyes had grown weak, and sometimes he forgot things. He went to live with his son, his daughter-in-law, and his little grandson. Every day, the whole family sat together for meals. But for the old man, eating had become difficult. Peas slipped from his spoon, milk spilled on the table. His hands often dropped the spoon or fork. The daughter-in-law sighed in frustration. The son looked at his father with annoyance, and one day they decided something. "This can't go on like this," they said. And so they made him eat alone at a small table in the kitchen. They gave him food in a wooden bowl. They barely spoke to him. When he dropped something, he got scolded. When soup spilled, they gave him cold, silent looks. Sometimes, a single tear would roll down his wrinkled cheek, but no one said anything, except the little boy. He didn't speak. He just watched. One evening, before dinner, the father saw the boy sitting on the floor. He was playing with some pieces of wood. "What are you making, son?" the father asked gently, and the boy answered with a truth that hit harder than any lesson. "I'm making a wooden bowl for you and Mom, for when I'm big." Silence filled the house. The parents looked at each other, eyes full of tears. No one spoke, because deep down, they knew that child had just taught them the hardest lesson of all. That very night, the father gently took the old man's hands and brought him back to the main table, back to the place where he had always belonged. We demand respect, but how often do we give dignity? We treat the elderly like a burden, when really they are living pages of our history. And the truth is, everything we do comes back to us. A child doesn't learn from what we say. He learns from what we do. And one day, he will become exactly what he saw. So ask yourself, are you leaving behind a legacy or a wound? The golden rule never fails. Treat others the way you want to be treated, because life always gives back exactly what you gave.